Starting this bulletin with the big developments we're getting in from Andhra Pradesh. A man was killed after the two compartments of Tata Nagar Ernakulam Express caught fire at Yelamanchilli, about 66 kilometers from Visakhapatnam, a senior police official said on Monday. The man has now been identified as 70-year-old Chandrasekhar Sundar. Now, officials said that they received this information about the fire at 12:45 a.m. The official also told reporters that there were about 82 passengers in one of the affected coaches and about 76 in another when the train caught fire. In fact, we are given to understand flames erupted from B1 AC coach of the Ernakulam Express. The loco pilot immediately stopped the train at the station after detecting the fire. He informed the fire brigade, and by the time they arrived, the two coaches were completely engulfed in flames. Panicked passengers soon ran out of the coaches. Along with the fire, thick smoke could be seen billowing out. Now, viewers, this fire here started in coach B1 and it then rapidly spread to other coaches. At this moment, Railways has detached the affected coaches from the rest of the train. But unfortunately, now we are getting news of one fatality being reported. A man, in fact, has been killed, identified as 70-year-old Chandrasekhar Sundar, who lost his life in this incident. Now, two coaches have been completely engulfed in flames. At this moment, firefighting teams are still trying to douse the fire. Now, viewers, it is a major incident that's been reported from Andhra Pradesh. In this case, the man has been killed after the two compartments of the Tata Nagar Ernakulam Express caught fire. Now, this happened about 66 kilometers from Visakhapatnam, and the man who's lost his life has now been identified as 70-year-old Chandrasekhar Sundar. Now, viewers, when we talk about this incident, the train caught fire at around 12:45 a.m. and there were about 82 passengers in one of the affected coaches, while 76 were present in another when the train caught fire. In fact, the flames here erupted from the B1 AC coach of the Ernakulam Express. As of now, we don't know what exactly caused the fire. But as soon as the train caught fire, the loco pilot immediately stopped the train at the station after detecting it. He informed the fire brigade, and by the time they arrived, two coaches were completely engulfed in flames. Panicked passengers ran out of the coaches.